What's up, everybody? I'm Nate Beck, and I'm here in the mountains above Los Angeles on the way to Big Bear on a 2022 Lowrider S with the 117. Now, this is the exact same bike I reviewed previously, and you guys loved it. So I'm gonna take it on a multi-night trip and just see, is it a one-trick pony, feels good for a day, or does it feel good tripping it? Now, real quick, a few things. If you're liking what you're seeing, please like, share, subscribe, hit the little alarm bell right there. It really helps out all of us moto vloggers doing what we do, bringing you content and secrets from the road. And second, if you're digging what I'm wearing, I get a lot of reviews, especially like on my gloves. I have links to all of this stuff down in the description, so check that. I'm gonna get suited back up, and we're gonna hit it. Crest Lodge. All right, this is owned by Mike and Katie. They're some of the most salt of the earth people you will ever meet. The rooms are perfect. They're super clean, super nice. There's easy bike parking, and it's like the spot to stay when you're on a motorcycle trip in Big Bear.